Hey guys, welcome to my channel, me Shelly B. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Come on in, have a seat, stick around a while. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. You never know what you might miss out on. So for this video, I just want to get right into it because, oh my God, this looks so good and I'm so hungry. So this is, I do this every time, don't I, y'all? This is a chopped cheese. It's called a chopped cheese sandwich. Oh my gosh. Y'all, look. Look at that, y'all. Oh my gosh. Oh, I gotta get a thumbnail. Look kind of crazy, but thank you. Yeah, I'm like all out of sorts right now. You know how I get. If you've been here before, you know how I get around food. I get all wonky and whatnot. But yeah, I got this idea from JL Jupiter's page. I'm gonna put his information down in the description box when I'm done. Yeah, this is, I guess it's some kind of famous sandwich from Harlem, New York, I believe. Don't quote me on that. Get the information over on JL Jupiter's page. He knows more about it. But yeah, I saw a video yesterday where he was doing this and he was saying how good the chopped cheese sandwich from New York was. Of course, he couldn't get there, so he decided to make his own, which we're all doing right about now, making our own stuff instead of going and getting takeout and whatnot. So yeah, this has, I'm sorry, I gotta take a bite first, guys. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. It's messy, but it's so good. Anyway, the sandwich is made with ground beef. You make it into hamburger patties, of course, but you'll see all that because he's making it on his page, his channel. But yeah, ground beef, but I have ground turkey, of course. I don't eat ground beef. Then you got your cheese on there, of course. You got some onions in there. You got your lettuce and you got your tomato. For the seasoning, it said you could use adobe or Sazon. Am I saying it right? Sazon? Something like that. Walmart didn't have any more adobe, so I had to get the Sazon. But oh my God. Oh. Mmm. I don't know what the real ones taste like. Plus, they're made with ground beef. I know they're probably better than this. But if it's any comparison, y'all, to what I'm eating, oh my God. You gotta do it. You gotta do it. Gotta do it. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Y'all, I got chips I had planned on eating. I don't need those chips. I was going to do a pickle, but I don't have a pickle because I'm doing a pickle challenge later on. Either later on today or maybe tomorrow, depending on how my stomach feels after this big hoagie. So I'm telling you guys, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. It's a 20 pickles challenge. 20 pickles in 3 minutes, I believe it is. I think I can do it. I think I can do it. Probably not. I don't know. But yeah, make sure you guys come back so you don't miss out on that video. Oh my God. Chopped cheese sandwich. It's a New York staple, I guess, in the bodegas up there. Excuse me. Praying everyone is staying safe up there as much as possible. You know, it's a lot going on with this pandemic, and it's a lot of people sick there. People have died. I don't even have the words. I just don't know, guys. I just hope everyone is staying safe and mindful and stay inside. But if you have to go out, be cautious. Be safe. But yeah, this sandwich, y'all, it's so good. I can't believe I'd never even heard of it. Was it it was the day before yesterday. I didn't make it yesterday because I wasn't feeling too good. But day before yesterday. He shows you how to make it. He cooks it up and everything, y'all. So check him out. Here's the second piece. I was going to save the second piece for later. Guess what? I'm not. Happy eater. Yes. And make sure you shred up your lettuce too, guys. So good, y'all. I don't even know what to talk about. Other than this sandwich. I got nothing. Don't want no chips. I'll be having pickles later or tomorrow. JL Jupiter, if you see this by any strange chance, because he's a big up there YouTuber. Any chance you see this dude? Thank you so much. I'm sorry for talking with my mouth full, but thanks, dude. Yes, y'all. And you would think that it tastes like a cheeseburger sub because it's pretty much the same ingredients, but I don't know. I guess it's the way. I don't know. Maybe because it's chopped up. I don't know. Maybe the seasoning. I don't know. But it tastes way better than the cheeseburger sub. 5. We're looking in the right place. Yeah, guys, so so good. I'll be having that again. So good, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for sharing my sandwich with me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. I think this is a subscribe, hit the notification bell. Don't want to miss out on any new videos coming out. That pickle challenge is going to be something. Ooh, called pickles, 3 minutes. Yeah, guys, but that was so good. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much again for watching. Thanks for coming back. Thanks for coming in. And I'll see you guys on the next one.